What if the key to unlocking your full potential has been within you all along? Meditation isn't just about sitting still or clearing your mind. It's about deeply understanding yourself, fostering growth, and creating space for success. Whether you're aiming to crush career goals, deepen your relationships, or spark powerful creativity, meditation is a game changer. And the best part? It's something anyone can practice. Today, I'm sharing 7 ways meditation can unlock your full potential and how you can start your transformational practice right now. 1. Mental clarity for better decisions. Meditation sharpens your focus. It's like giving your brain a spring clean, clearing out the mental clutter that slows you down. Imagine walking into a meeting and instantly knowing the right thing to say or solving problems without agonizing over every decision. Science backs this up. Research shows meditation boosts activity in the part of your brain responsible for focus and critical thinking. When I started meditating daily, it was like flipping a switch. No more brain fog. Decisions that once felt overwhelming became manageable. That focus? It's a superpower you can cultivate. 2. Stress management for peak performance. Stress is the secret villain stealing your energy and potential. Meditation flips the script by calming your fight or flight response, replacing tension with a sense of calm and control. Take a client of mine, Serena, a startup founder in a high-pressure environment. Stress was wearing her down, but when she started practicing mindfulness meditation, she noticed a shift. She was calmer, composed, and her team even commented on her newfound confidence. Want to perform at your best? Start with managing your stress. 3. Enhanced creativity through a quiet mind. When do your best ideas hit? Often it's during a shower or a quiet walk, right? Meditation gives your mind that same pause, sparking creativity in ways you never imagined. For me, 10 minutes of meditation led to breakthrough ideas for a stalled project. Steve Jobs, Oprah, and other creative powerhouses credit meditation for their success. Why not you? 4. Emotional intelligence for better relationships. Meditation isn't just about knowing yourself, it's also about connecting with others. By improving self-awareness and empathy, it builds stronger, more genuine relationships. I'll never forget when a colleague told me, "You seem so much calmer, it's easier to work with you now." That was the moment I realized how meditation doesn't just change you, it changes how others respond to you. 5. Productivity boost through mindfulness. Here's the truth. Meditation is the ultimate productivity tool. By training your brain to focus on one task at a time, it fights the multitasking trap and helps you work smarter. Try this. Spend 10 minutes meditating before you start your workday. You'll find yourself focusing longer, completing tasks faster, and making fewer mistakes. It's no surprise companies like Google invest in meditation for good reason. 6. Better sleep equals more energy. Good sleep is the foundation of true productivity and energy. Struggling to wind down after a hectic day? Meditation might be the solution. Studies show it promotes quality sleep and helps reduce insomnia. For me, body scan meditations before bed changed everything. I started waking up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. 7. Resilience to overcome challenges. Challenges are inevitable, but how you respond to them defines your success. Meditation helps you build resilience to face setbacks with strength and calmness. Take a close friend of mine. She began meditating during a tough career slump. Instead of spiraling, she found new clarity and confidence. Within months, she landed a dream job and regained her momentum. That's the power of a resilient mind. Now you might think, this sounds great, but isn't meditation complicated or time-consuming? The answer is no. Start small, just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet spot, focus on your breath, and observe your thoughts. You don't need to be a pro, you just need consistency. And if you're worried it's only for the spiritual or those with extra time, think again. CEOs, creatives, and some of the busiest people in the world use meditation for its incredible ROI on time and energy. Unlocking your full potential doesn't require a miracle, it starts with small, consistent changes. Meditation is one of the most impactful adjustments you can make. Try a short guided meditation using a free app today. Stick with it for a week and watch the changes unfold: greater focus, less stress, deeper creativity. Your potential is already within you. Meditation is just the key. The question is, are you ready to unlock it?